Okay folks, here we go. What we're going to do is we're going to be working on this 2005 Tundra. I've had it since it was brand new. It's got 234,000 miles on it. And what we got going on here is I got a little bit of an engine knock. If you can hear the noise, it almost sounds like it's got a rod knock. While doing a little investigating, I'm going to show you momentarily that what we're looking at here is going to be that fan hose right down there that's going to be replaced. So here we go. So I've gone ahead and I've shut the engine off, and now what I want to do is I want to come down here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the serpentine belt off of the fan hub and then restart the engine to verify that that's where the noise is coming from. So what I'm doing here is I've taken the belt tensioner, if you can see it way down here, you can see the wrench way down here.